Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add a link to your TikTok bio. Adding a link to your TikTok bio lets you direct viewers to a website, social profile, or other important content. This is commonly used by creators and businesses to share external links. To get started, open the TikTok app, go to your profile, tap the Edit Profile icon, look for the website or bio section. If the website option is available for your account, paste your link there and save the changes. If you do not see the website option, your account may not have link access enabled. In that case, you can still add a link as plain text in your bio. However, the link will not be clickable. Tap the bio field and paste your link. Then tap Save. Once saved, the link will appear on your profile for visitors to view or tap. This depends on your account's eligibility. That's it. You've learned how to add a link to your TikTok bio. You also know why link options may differ between accounts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other DelfStack tutorial videos.